My dear learners, how are you? I am also fine. Today I shall discuss about voice of interrogative and imperative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence begins with auxiliary verb or any WS question. And first I will discuss about yes no question. Yes no questions begins with primary auxiliary or modal auxiliary. Does he play ball? The sentence begins with auxiliary verb does. So, and it is present indefinite tense. According to present indefinite tense, am is auxiliary verb of passive voice. So, is ball played by him? Is he writing a letter? Is he writing a letter? Passive. Is a letter being written by him? Present continuous tense. Am being, is being, are being. Another example, have you helped him? Have and helped. So it is present perfect tense. Subject, past participle and auxiliary verb have. So it is present perfect tense. Has he. The object will be the subject. Has he been helped by you? This is interrogative sentence of yes no question. Now WS question. WS questions. If the sentence begins with who, who is, whom, whose, where, why. If the sentence begins with WS questions. At first I will discuss the sentence which begins with who. Who. This is singular or plural. Who did it? Who did it? It is past indefinite tense. By whom? Past indefinite tense auxiliary verb was or where. By whom was it done? Who is writing a letter? Who is writing a letter? Passive. By whom? By whom is a letter being written? Am being, is being, are being. If the sentence is present continuous tense, the auxiliary verb will be am being, is being, are being. Another example, who has done it, or who has stolen my watch? By whom? By whom has my watch been stolen? By whom has my watch been stolen? It is present perfect tense. Now, if the WS question begins with whom, it is object form of whom. Whom do you like? Here it is subject, it is object. Main verb, auxiliary. Who is changed into whom is changed into who. Present indefinite tense, so is used as auxiliary verb. Who is liked by you. Another example. Whom are you helping? Passive. Who is being helped by you. Is being, as it is present continuous tense. Whom. If the sentence begins with which plus noun as object, which plus noun as object of a sentence. Which book do you want? Which book? This is subject, principal verb, auxiliary verb, and which book is object here. So, which book present indefinite tense, so is will be used as auxiliary verb. Whose book is wanted by you? Wanted by you. Another example. Which shirt have you bought? Passive. Which shirt has been bought by you? This is whose plus noun as object of a sentence. Whose house have you bought? Whose house? Passive. Whose house has been bought? Has been bought by you. Now, what? If the WS questions begins with what, as object in a sentence, what do you want? This is subject, principal verb, auxiliary verb, and it is subject. Interrogative pronoun used as subject. What? Present indefinite tense, so is auxiliary verb is wanted by you. What is wanted by you? Another example. What can you do? Passive. What can be done by you? What can be done by you? This is if the sentence begins with interrogative adverb, when, how, why, where. Interrogative adverb. When did you take tea? When was tea taken by you? This is how did you do it? How was it done by you? This is interrogative adverb. Now, I shall discuss about imperative sentence. If the sentence active voice is in the imperative form, imperative, verb plus object, extension, do it. It is imperative sentence. This sentence begins with base form of verb. Active, let, object, let it be done. Another example. Open the door. Open the door. Let the door be open. Let the door be opened. Participle form. Let the door be opened. This is passive. If the sentence begins with don't or do not, don't or do not, verb, object. Do not close the door. Close the door. Let not the door be closed. Let not the door and be closed. Participle form of the verb. Time is over. The due part of imperative sentence will be discussed in the next class. No more today. Thank you very much.